Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Hello Baldies, welcome specially to another interesting video from the stable of Hairstyles. Today's video highlight the different beautiful collections of Baldie that is gonna wow you. Alright, if you're a fan of short hair, short hair to the skull, short hair in a shaved manner, then this video is definitely gonna inspire your hair. Take that bold step. Alright, there's nothing to be shy about. After all, women in this video look absolutely fabulous when they decide to go short. Now check them out and you can be your personal advisor. So what we do here is to encourage beautiful women having issues with making decisions concerning whether to go low or very low. How low should you actually go anyways? You want to go tapered, you want to go pixie cut, or you want to go tour TWA, or you want to go Baldie? Now this video is to let you know that I think Baldie is the wake up and go out kind of short hairstyles that is actually going to reduce or take away that time wastage that you usually use when trying to style your hair. Alright, so this is the perfect video collections for you to learn how to either go to a barbing salon and style your hair, or you can get a clipper, get scissors, and get the right product to shave your heads and style it by yourself at home. Okay, and I haven't cut the hair off. There are different products you should check in our description below, and you're gonna be getting the ideas on what product to go for. We usually recommend the likes of Kingston coils if you really want it in a relaxed manner, you want it to be in a relaxed that kind of finger waves, relaxed short hairstyle, Baldie type. Alright, or you can use the Caro Daughter if you want to leave a little hair on your head and to form a kind of tiny little coils on that. Caro Daughter is the best product for that. Kingston coils, Caro Daughter, and MIELLE does magic on very low short hair. Trust me about that. Alright, so guys, these three brands of products that we've mentioned can be gotten between $11 to $20 as at the time of making this video. Alright, some platforms you can go to buy this beautiful products for Baldie, for pixie cut, for short bangs, all of the hairstyles you've been seeing us showcase on Hairstyles. I think the platform to go get them in a very fast way, apart from your local store, is one, Amazon.com. Yes, Amazon.com. The links is in the description below. Try to always check the description below. Many of you do ask us, where is your location? Where are you situated? Where do you reside? How can we contact you? Please go straight into the description and find our hairstylist that can actually get your hair done in your location. Some of them can actually travel. Alright, so it doesn't matter where you are. Go to their Instagram page and book an appointment and make it really sharp. Alright, so stop asking where you are. You don't answer us when we ask you where you are. You don't answer us when we tell you we ask you about your location. Alright, we have already done that. Do well to go to the description and please book an appointment. As I was saying, the different brands or platforms that you can go to buy the products that will make your hair look beautiful and make you look sassy is one, Amazon.com, and the other one is the official website for these products that we've mentioned. The official website for MIELLE.com will definitely give you an insight on how to place order online directly wherever you are in the world. Official website for Caro Daughter will also give you the option of placing order directly on the website wherever you are in the world. Amazon is just also very perfect for a 2 days delivery if you want it ASAP. Alright guys, so I'd like to stop here. Let me allow you guys to savor the rest of the styles and give this video a thumbs up and try to subscribe if this is your first time of discovering this channel. Until we meet again in our next upload, ciao ciao.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. That way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake